gościnności jest dla Rolfa zbyt wielki!
Hello, Ed Boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed Boys like yourself.
Huh?
Hello.
I ain't touching that.
Have you seen? You're crazy. Do not full run.
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
Yeehaw!
Not to mention a duck.
Wytrzyj buty, proszę!
Huh?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Złamaliście łodygę Selera na grzbiecie jeżowca!